Welcome to Dare to Speak Academy, where confidence meets communication. If you're looking to enhance your English skills, speak with confidence and succeed in any situation, you've come to the right place. At Dare to Speak Academy, we offered structured and interactive courses that help learners progress from basic to advanced levels. Our goal is not to develop language proficiency only, but also to build confidence, critical thinking, and effective communication. Whether you're just starting out or polishing your advanced skills, we have a program tailored to meet your needs. So why choose us? Our courses are expertly designed by language specialists to cover grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and real-world communication strategies. Through engaging hands-on activities like role plays, debates, and storytelling, we ensure that learning is practical and enjoyable. Our instructors with years of teaching experience in Singapore provide personalized guidance and actionable feedback to accelerate your progress. Plus, our learning community extends beyond the classroom through Discord, where you can ask questions, practice your skills, and clarify your doubts. We also offer small group sessions for personalized attention or larger groups for a dynamic collaborative experience. What truly sets Dare to Speak Academy apart is our real-world learning environment. We focus on practical application, allowing learners to practice their skills in realistic scenarios. Our courses follow the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, what we call CEFR, ensuring a structured and measurable learning journey. Beyond language, we develop essential lifelong skills such as critical thinking, presentation techniques, and persuasive speaking. Ready to take your English skills to the next level? Join Dare to Speak Academy today and transform the way you communicate.